That's right. That's how you vacuum, but you're going backwards. You come this way. You come to Mommy. There we go. There we go. Ooh. Whoa. You're so strong. Whoa.
Mommy.
Thank you, girlie. Thank you. You want Mommy to vacuum? Okay.